You're not ready to give advice yet because you just achieved this little bitty success. I want to make it clear, there is a huge difference between documenting and teaching. You can document your journey. So let's say that you're just getting started as a freelancer. You can share all the different breakthroughs that you are personally having. You can share your wins. You can share the templates that you're figuring out as far as like DMing people or cold emailing people. That is perfectly okay. But if you're not actually achieving a certain metric of success, meaning you don't have to worry about the working a 9 to 5, maybe you're pulling in 10, 20K a month. Well, yeah, of course, at that point you can teach. But I've seen far too many people, they'll go through Freelancer Profit Manual or they'll go through my email list mastery course and they're like, oh my God, wow, this makes so much sense. And then they'll start achieving success, meaning maybe they close their first client, their second client, third client, and they're like 2-3 months in and they're already seeing success. And then those same people will take the information they've learned from me and guess what? They'll package it into their own paid group or their own paid course.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
And at that point, it's just the blind leading the blind. Just the other day, I saw a student of mine,
knowledge,
who I know behind the scenes, he's great at the skill that he has, but when it comes to building a business, whenever it comes to marketing and sales, he has literally zero reason to be teaching anybody anything. Yet, he was trying to tell students of mine how they could better DM other people and, oh yeah, with this offer, I don't think you should word it this way, I think you should do it this way. Bro, you don't know shit. Now, to add the caveat, if he would have, let's say that he was up front, hey, here's how you can make your videos better or whatever your skill is. And he was like, here's how you can make that better. That's perfectly okay. But if you are literally making like $200 a month as a freelancer, you have zero business teaching other people how to close clients. In today's world, too many people get caught up in this whole info product thing where they think they have to sell a course on anything and everything. I even used to be one of those people that hated on people that don't sell courses until I realized that, okay, if you actually have achieved success, then, you really have a duty to teach other people how to do it, to show people the way, which is why I waited a year into being a freelancer, meaning I was already traveling the world and living the life that I wanted. I waited a year before I actually started teaching other people how to do it. But even then, I made it clear that I wasn't some guy raking in 20, 30 grand a month. I made it clear, if you want to hit 8 to 10K a month, here's how you can do it, because I'd already achieved all that. So I want you to understand that in the beginning, you need to work your ass off. Focus on building up your skills. Focus on closing clients, building an actual business, learning and applying everything time and time again. Because just because you achieve success once does not mean that it is duplicatable many other times, let alone duplicatable for other people. So if you want to sell a course about something, if you want to offer consulting or coaching, that's perfectly okay. There's a lot of money to be made in that. But don't try to skip the line and immediately start teaching people right after you finally start making your first $200 a month. And if you're interested in getting into the whole freelancing world, which allows you to travel the world, make money online, and really just take care of your family, then click the link down below and get on my email list, because whenever you join the email list, you're also going to get a freelancing guide that I've put together that's going to break down what freelancing is, different skills that you can monetize, and get you started in the whole freelancing game. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click right here. Otherwise, make sure to click that subscribe button. That way you can stay on top of all of the latest videos. I'll see you in the next episode.